We're a special unboxing. This is from our wonderful channel supporter, Elle the Original, and Dolores. So, Hudson, I don't know what's inside. I did the dangerous, like, scissors. And we gotta go check this out. Now, Elle the Original also sent us things at Christmas time, and we didn't get to do an unboxing. It's okay. Let him go to his bed.
There he goes.
But she sent us wonderful cake mixes.
Yeah.
Chocolates,
Beautiful.
if I remember correctly, and also treats for Hudson.
Beautiful.
Always treats for Hudson. So,
fantastic job.
This says, I'm gonna take it out of the box. James and Karla. So it looks like there's something for each of us.
One of each.
So let me move over because Hudson just, he's tired. He was running.
We did him a big long jog.
Should I do James first?
Yes, you can.
Okay, James first. Wait a minute.
Nice.
I'm gonna borrow this. I love it too.
That is great.
Oh my God! Look at this beanie.
Oh man, look at that. That is awesome. It'll still be cold when we get back. Turn sideways. Yeah, that's awesome.
I'm sorry,
James,
I
love it too.
I'm borrowing it.
I know.
I'm borrowing it.
I know.
Oh, he looked like he's like thinking
He's like, wait, it's
out.
me.
Yeah.
Oh, and what's this?
Wait, there's more.
Oh, cool.
Oh my God.
A J.
And it's like a
type
key.
A big key.
Oh my God.
That's awesome.
Can I put it on for now?
Yeah.
Just to model it, James.
Yeah.
You'll wear it because it can be for anybody.
Look at Hudson. Yeah.
Wait, so
he's getting ready to jump.
James, here, pull it for me so it closes.
Yeah, what do? I pull this?
Just pull one side and I'll pull the other side.
Perfect.
See, it's adjustable.
Oh, nice. Oh, that looks great.
Oh man, and then there's more.
Oh, cool.
This has a J too.
Nice.
Oh my God.
Oh, that looks great.
Oh my God. I think I'm commandeering these. I'm sorry.
Karla's got them.
I'm sorry, but I'm commandeering.
Look at Hudson.
Hudson. There's another gift sets for Karla.
Oh no.
Let him see up there. It looks so cute up there.
Yeah, it looks great.
Okay, here we go.
Guys.
Elle the Original, Dolores.
They're so nicely wrapped.
Yeah, extra.
And look at the little bag. It's cute.
Yeah, extra good. Now, these are belated Christmas gifts. Notice that it says Merry Christmas.
It says Karla.
Wait a minute.
What is that?
Oh my God, wait. I got two.
Oh, look at that.
I got a paw print, baby.
Oh, nice.
Wait, I'm gonna put this one on first.
Oh man. Oh, that is great.
I love all the colors.
Yeah, the numbers are great.
Good.
Yeah, beautiful. Oh man.
Extra good.
And then the paw print.
Yeah, wait.
Look at it. Oh, it's great.
Oh man. You know, it's kind of like a Mondrian.
Yeah.
Mondrian expired.
Yeah, it looks beautiful. Yeah, I love that. The graphics are awesome. Oh, awesome. Fantastic job.
And then wait a minute.
I know, look at a paw print. Look at it. Yeah, great.
And there's more. Elle the Original, Dolores, I love it.
There's love them, guys.
There's more.
Oh, God.
Wait a minute.
Oh, nice.
Ooh. Hudson, this says something.
Hudson.
Where's
the Hudster? Hudson. Look at he's looking. I can see him.
The journey of life is sweeter when traveled with a dog. A true friend leaves paw prints on your heart.
Oh, look at him. Look at him.
Wait a minute. I gotta open it.
Hi, Huds. My little homie. Look at him. He's with the paws.
Oh my God. Okay, wait a minute.
Yeah, I got him in view.
Okay. I might need a scissor. I think there's a way of opening it, but I'm trying to see. It's like, it's sealed. Yeah, so I have to kind of tear it open. There we go.
Nice job. Ah, that's great. How pretty is that? Oh, man.
Oh, gorgeous.
Yeah, that's really nice. Oh.
And you can make it longer.
Yeah.
This is adjustable, but I'm gonna leave it at this shorter length just for now.
Yeah, bring it in closer. I want to get it in focus.
Should I put it up against this white?
Oh, that's great. Lower it a little bit. Perfect. Nice. Oh, that's great.
Oh, I love it.
I love
Elle,
it.
the original Dolores is so sweet.
That could
so
also
sweet.
go on like your
I
trunk.
love it.
Yeah,
and
that's awesome.
there's more. There's more, guys.
Oh, cool.
Wait. A K.
Nice.
I got a K also.
Oh, that's great. Let me get it in focus. Turn it the right side. It's backwards. There we go. Oh, cool. Oh, that is great.
Oh, I gotta put this on.
Yeah, yeah, that's great. You'll wear it today.
Yes.
Even though we're not premiering this until.
Yes. So
It'll be a.
I'll wear it our next live stream.
Yeah. Ah, beautiful. Nice job, guys. Fantastic
Wait, should
job.
I go like this?
Yeah, yeah, that's great. Here, let me get in there. Oh, perfect. Perfect. Perfect.
There's more.
Oh, nice.
There's more.
Oh, that's cool. That's just like your style. Yeah, yeah. That's awesome.
Oh man, what a nice clasp too.
Yeah, the hat looks awesome too.
Hold on. Look at this bracelet.
Oh man, that is so
Extra
awesome.
good bling.
Fantastic job, guys.
Hold on. I gotta just get it. You know, you gotta get it the right
Yeah,
direction.
it's like a funny angle. Yeah.
Yeah, it's a strong clasp. Hold on.
Look at Huds. Honey, look at Huds. Guys. What do you say, Huds?
Okay, got it.
Oh, it looks great. Let me get it in focus.
Fits perfectly because I have a nice small wrist, so
Yeah, yeah.
really I can wear any
Yeah,
bracelet.
yeah, it looks beautiful.
It's always gonna fit Karla.
Nice.
Oh my God! Look at
Little
these
charms. Oh, that's great.
The hearts
Oh, yeah.
and little balls.
Look at
Balls. Hudson's
balls.
favorite.
Hudson, what do you think? All you gotta do is say balls.
All you gotta do is say balls.
Yeah.
All right, this is gonna be. I'm gonna do this with the longer length, but I'll probably
Yeah, yeah.
shorten it just to show
Nice.
everybody.
Oh, it looks beautiful. Oh, fantastic job, guys. Let me get it. Wait. Let me get it in focus. Oh, that's great.
Oh my God, Elle the original, Dolores.
Yeah,
these
beautiful.
are so beautiful. And I'm sorry for commandeering some of James's gifts, but I mean, I just have to
Yeah, love 'em.
because they look all extra,
Love 'em.
extra good. Thank you so much.
Thanks,
we
guys.
really appreciate the love and support.